Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming your PC meets minimum game requirements and storage needs. Check your GPU driver version and Windows build for compatibility. Note when crashes occur and record exact error messages for targeted fixes. Restart your PC and test another game to isolate hardware versus game issues. Temporarily disconnect peripherals to remove external device conflicts. Observe CPU and GPU temperatures using a monitoring tool while reproducing the crash to catch thermal throttling or hardware faults. Open your platform launcher and verify integrity of game files to repair corruption. Run the game as administrator and set compatibility for Windows 10 or 11 when necessary. Disable overlays from Discord, Steam, and GeForce Experience to remove interference. Temporarily set the game to borderless or windowed mode to test full-screen issues. Lower render scale and disable ray tracing when GPUs struggle or frame pacing fails. If using mods, remove them to test a clean install and isolate mod conflicts. If problems persist, perform a clean GPU driver install using the in safe mode. Then install the latest Game Ready or Studio driver from the vendor website. Set virtual memory to 1. 5 times your RAM to reduce out-of-memory crashes, for example 24 GB for 16 GB RAM. Reinstall the game to replace damaged installations and ensure no leftover files remain. Collect crash logs, DXDiag output, and reproduce steps, then contact support with attachments for prioritized help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.